Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Hope you all are doing great and I am also fine. Be success some we need some habit. One of them we have to mind is that small action. Small action plus daily practice plus no excuse makes a man perfect and success. Now I'm describing this small action. Some of us when start a thing or when start our practice, then first day and second day we practice a lot of and even whole day, but few days later we stop our practicing. We need to start our practice from zero. And I also say a people all time that every successful people start from zero. Yes, daily practice. Daily practice also be important. Very important this. Because we practiced one day a lot of, but next day we don't practice any. This is wrong. First day you can practice sometimes, even 10 times, that's not wrong. But the next day you also need 10 minutes or 12 minutes or 15 minutes. You have to be practice. You have to do this every day, because if you practice 1 hours a day and you also practice 1 week later, that's not consistency, that's totally wrong. By doing this you do not speak fluency, you speak practice you practice every day, even 5 or 10 minutes, that's also okay. So practice daily. And the last one is no cost, and the last one is no excuse. Yes, we also give excuse that today I am feeling bored, today I am not feeling motivation, so I do not practice today. Yesterday I will practice. That's also wrong, because if you feel motivation, then you will start your practice. You do not speak fluency, because excuse have every day. It had and it now have and it will have. So we have to overcome this excuse. Start your practice, and then when you start your practice, sometime later you will feel motivation, because this is not come automatically. So I hope you will start by watching my video, and I also think and hope that every day my uploading my speaking practice, and for this you will feeling motivation and also inspiration. And i I told you I think that you need to apply this chance, because times don't stop, the world moving forward fast. So if we don't continue this moving with the world, we going backward. So I said a thing in another video that how important English is. The modern world, in this world, present world, the English is very important. If you think that I will work in online, that this is more important, most important for you. Without it, without English, you don't do this. So apply this chance. Do with me. This is a big chance for you. I'm practicing every day. And by C and C, this is our fourth day. And one day we will come the moment when our English speaking quality will upgrade. I trust myself. So you also need to trust yourself, because if you cannot trust yourself, why people will start you trust? So first of all, you need to trust yourself. And I also said that yes, practice, daily practice makes a man perfect. So practice every day. First times everyone makes mistakes. I also makes mistakes. So you also makes mistakes. That's okay. That's wrong. Some people think that makes mistakes is the opposite to success. But that's also wrong thing, because making mistakes is not the opposite of success. It's a part of success. So make mistakes, and when you will notice your mistakes, then try to correct them. So even not need to correct them. If you are beginner, then you just practice. Make mistakes. First weeks don't need to correct them. Just make mistakes and every day practice. When you will feel that I am noticing my mistakes, I need to correct them, then you correct this. And for this, the most good method is uh, speak. When you practice your speak, you can. That's all for today. Keep practice every day and learn something new. If you can fruitful, if you fruitful by this video, then you can subscribe me, because this your subscribe will inspire me to make more video and to help me to stay connect and everyday success. And you also can share this video with your friends and also your profile. So have a good day.